mechanical force is used to shape the steel wire into these tight spiral spring shapes. The machines spin rapidly to ensure
Tension on line
accuracy.
3 is fluctuating again.
I see that. Adjust the feed rate slightly and let's monitor the coil dimensions.
Treatment ensures the springs are strong, flexible, and durable.
Every spring is carefully tested to ensure it meets strict performance standards.
And that's how springs are made, from raw steel wire to strong industrial springs.